Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Fantom Coin. On a daily time frame chart, Fantom Coin has reached the resistance of this down channel. You can see that while moving inside this channel, the price and also found this downtrend and resistance since after the month of June 2024, 12th of June 2024, the price and was not able to break out this resistance. You can see that we got so many rejections. And after the breakout, the price and imminently moved at the resistance of the channel, but got rejected once again. At the same time, it was also rejected by this long-term resistance of 55 cents as well, dropped down and retested the previous downtrend and resistance as support and geared up, and now again it is moved at the resistance of this channel. By the way, a few hours ago in the previous candlestick, you can see that we had a powerful spike to break out this resistance, and now we can also adjust this trend line because we have a few extra spikes here, and if we connect all these spikes, then you can see that still it is moving at this resistance, and we will need to break out the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term down channel as well. You can see that after the breakout, we had a massive rally, but the pricing got rejected by this resistance zone that starts from 95 cents and goes to $1.16. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Fantom coin that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 42% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for Fantom coin that I shared 4 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gardner pattern that Fantom coin formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and sell target zone, and below this level was our stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has produced almost 42% very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Fantom coin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this down channel since after 7th of March 2024. And you can see that we had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here. And finally, we also broke out this downtrend and resistance that the price and found within this while moving inside this down channel. And after breaking out this resistance, the price and imminently moved at the resistance of the channel, rejected, and again retested the previous downtrend and resistance as support and geared up. And now it is again trying to break out the resistance of this channel. Slightly higher than this resistance, we will have another quite long-term resistance of 55 cents as well. And during this move, you can see that during this drop recently, it has also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder. This is the head, and right now it is completing the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this is the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Here we have the neckline, and you can see that now we have a crisscross of the resistance levels, two resistance levels. One is the resistance of the channel, another one is the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Slightly higher than these two resistance levels, we will have this 55 cents, a quite long-term resistance of 55 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 55 cents had been previously breaking as support here, resistance here, and resistance here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. And in case of breaking out these two resistance levels, the neckline and the down channel, then target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern will be here. That will be approximately at 96.5 cents. And the technical target for the breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $1.16. And on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that from 95 cents to $1.16, it's quite long-term resistance zone that has been previously working as a resistance zone here, support zone here, support, and support. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. We got rejection here, and again, it can work as a strong resistance. Now on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel. Then we had a very nice rally, but still the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And that long-term target is here at the top of the channel, somewhere between $3.50 to $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.